Good morning, children. Now we have our maths class. Are you ready with your maths notebook and textbook and also with pen and pencil? Did you all complete your notes? I've sent your class teachers have sent you notes yesterday of last 2 days. I hope you all completed your classwork, notes and also the homework. So what we discussed yesterday, we discussed about the place value chart, number name and how to write the numeral of a 7-digit number and an 8-digit number, and we did some questions from the exercise 1.1, exercise 1.1, question number A to write in words, and question number B to write the number name and to put commas we wrote yesterday, and I gave some questions as homework also. Now one more question is remaining in that exercise. We will complete first, we will complete that question, that exercise first we will complete, and after that we will go to the next section. So what's the next question? Write the numbers in the place value chart. Write the numbers, exercise 1.1, question number C. Write the numbers in place value chart. We already learned how to write the numbers in a place value chart yesterday. For an 8-digit number, we have 4 periods, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. For a 7-digit number, we have 3 periods, ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So, to write a number in a place value chart, we have to draw the place value chart. First of all, we have to draw the place value chart. This first one is ones period, then comes to thousands period, then lakhs period and crores period. Now we are going to, and again these are divided into groups. Ones period is divided into 3 ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period is divided into thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period is divided into lakhs, 10 lakh, and crores period is divided into crores and 10 crores, but we are not using 10 crore as we are learning only 8-digit number, till 8-digit numbers, but you know, you can write 9-digit numbers also, even without the teacher's help, we can write 9-digit numbers also. Anyway, we'll move to the first question of this question C, which is the first question, 18 lakh 500. It is given in the it is given that number is given, the number name is given 18 lakh 500. 18 lakh 500. I think you all can write these questions also in your rough book. You can copy that. When I give the notes, I will send all these things. But now you can write this one, and you can write the answers also. So 18 lakh 500. What about 18 lakh? First of all, you have to write the numeral of this 18 lakh 500. For that, you all remember I explained very clearly yesterday, so I think you all know how to write this numeral. 8 in the lakhs period consists of 2 digits and it is 18 here, comma. Now the next period is thousands period, but thousands period is not here, and thousands period should have 2 digits, and since thousands period is not here, what we have to do? I know you all wrote the answer without my help. You wrote this thousands period are filled by 2 zeros. Then we have 500. Now, how will you express this number in this place value chart? Whenever we express this in place value chart, we start from the right end digit, and here the right end digit should be filled in the right end place of this place value chart. Which is the right end digit? 0, so 0 comes under 1's place. Then comes again the next digit in the tens place, also 0. Then it is 500. Then comes 0. Again comes then thousands place, both the digits are 0. Thousands period, both the places are 0. Then lakhs place is 8 and 10 lakhs place is 1. So this is how you can represent a given number in a place value chart. Okay, what is the next question? 1 crore. Second question of question number C. 1 crore, 4 lakh. You also can write along me 1 crore, 4 lakh, 58,000. 58,000. 58,000. 58,000. So in order to represent this number name in a place value chart, what we have to do first? What we have to do? We have to convert into the numeral. Anila of 5A, can you give the numeral for this question? Anila of 5A, can you give the numeral for this question? Anila can unmute. Anila. Okay, Anila cannot unmute. Anila, is it possible? Anila, are you here? Okay, Dhananjay of 5A, Dhananjay of 5A, can you give the answer for this question? Dhananjay. Can you hear me, Dhanan? Okay, Dhanan. Sorry, Dhanan is not responding. Aditya AL of 5D. Aditya AL of 5D. Can you give the answer? Can you write the numeral? Can you give the numeral for this question? 1 crore for a 1 crore. 4 lakh, 1 crore, 4 lakh, 58,000. Aditya AL, can you give the answer? Yes? Aditya AL. Okay, give the answer, Aditya. What is the answer? What is the numeral for this question? 1 crore, 4 lakh, 58,000. You are not responding, children. Why? When I ask some questions, you can unmute your microphone and give the answer. Edwin of 5D, are you there? Edwin of 5D? Edwin John. Okay, let us move to the answer for this question. I hope by this time you all wrote the answers. The next class onwards, please, when I ask question, you have to unmute your microphone and give the answer. Don't forget about that. Please unmute when I call your name, please unmute and give the answer. So 1,04,58,000. 1 crore, first is the crores period, so it consists of one digit 1. Then comes to the lakhs period. Lakhs period is only 4 is there in the lakhs period. So 4, but in lakhs period we need 2 digits. So how to represent? It is 0, 4. Then we have 58,000. 58,000. So after lakhs period we have thousands period and it is 58. So you can write 58 as the next 2 digits. Now only up to 58 is there. Ones period is not there in the number name. So how will you represent this now ones period? By 3 zeros. Okay. So like way, so now we can represent this on the place value chart. How will you represent this one on the place value chart? I know you all know how to represent this one on the place value chart, and so we have ones period. I think you already did this before I wrote the answers. Thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, again. I expect your answers, but no one is unmuting, no one is giving answers. When I ask questions to you, you are not responding. So it is ones period, tens, hundreds, lakhs, sorry. Thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So the second number is 1 crore 4 lakh 58,000. We have to represent 0 in the ones place from the right end. The right end digit should be filled in the ones place. Then tens place should be filled by the digit 0, hundreds place is also filled by the digit 0, thousands place is filled by the digit 8, 10,000s place is filled by the digit 5, lakhs place is filled by 4, 10 lakhs place 0, and crores place is 1. Whether your answers are correct? You all did this answer? Okay. Now, one more question we will do, and after that we will move to the next topic. Third question. What's the third question of question number C? It is 6 crore 6 lakh. It is 6 crore and 6 lakh. 6 crore and 6 lakh. 6 crore and 6 lakh, and the other number is 1045. So 6 crore and 6 lakh. How you have to first write 6 crore 6 lakh as the numeral. So in crores place we have only 6. Then lakhs period we have only 6. But lakhs period should have 2 digits, so you should represent by 0, 6. Again, thousands place, no digit is there. Thousands period, no digit is there. So we have to fill that vacant place by 0, 0. And ones period is also filled by 3 zeros, because in the number name there is only 6 crore 6 lakh. So thousands thousands period and ones period are not represented in the numeral. So we have to put 0 to fill the vacant place. Now we can write that in the place value chart. We can write this numeral in the place value chart. Starting from the right end, we have to fill 0, 0, 0. It's very easy, 0, 0. Then lakhs place should be filled by 6, then lakhs place again 0, and the crores place is 6. So the remaining 2 questions are homework. Question number C, remaining 2 questions. I will give the homework questions at the last. I will write it on the board. So now up to here, I think it is clear to all of you how the basics of a 7-digit number and an 8-digit number, place value, Indian place value system of a 7-digit number and an 8-digit number, how to write the numeral and how to write the number name. Okay, now we will move to the next topic, which is a very important topic, the place values of digits. Place value. Now, what do you mean by place value of a digit? Place value of a digit in a numeral. Place value of a digit depends upon the place in which that digit occurs. Place value of a digit in a numeral, in a number. Place value of any digit in a given word, in a given number, depends upon the place in which that digit occurs. Is that clear? So, to write the place value, I'm going to draw the place value chart first. Ten thousands, lakh, 10 lakhs and crore. So, Indian place value system is divided into periods and each periods are divided into places so that if a number is given, each digit will fall in any one of these places. So, these places themselves have values. These places themselves have values. Ones place, the first right in the ones place have the value 1. Tens place have the value 10. Hundreds place have the value 100. Thousands place have the value 1000. 1000. 10,000s place have the value 10,000. Lakhs place have the value 1 lakh. 10 lakhs have the value, 10 lakhs place have the value 10 lakh. And the crores place have the value 1 crore. 1 crore. So, in the place value chart, we have different places and each places have its own values. Ones place have the value 1, tens place have the value 10, hundreds place have the value 100, thousands place have the value 1000, 10,000s place have the value 10,000, lakhs place have the value 1 lakh, 10 lakhs place have the value 10 lakh and crores place have the value 1 crore. Now, if we have a number, I'll give an example, 2,341. It's a 4-digit number. Now, when you write this in a place value chart, this number 2341, when you write this number in a place value chart, starting from the right end, 1 or I'm give this one as 6. 2346. 6 comes in the ones place, 4 comes in the tens place, 3 comes in the hundreds place, and 2 comes in the 10,000s place. Sorry, thousands place. 2 comes in the thousands place. Now, how will you find out the value, place value of these digits? How can you identify, how can you understand, how can you learn, how can you write the place values of each digit? Now, 6 comes in the ones place. Ones place have the value 1, but now we have 6 in the ones place, so the place of 6 is ones place, but its value is 6 ones. What's the place value? It is 6 ones, which is also can be written as is equal to 6 into 1, it is 6. Six ones, you can write it as 6. So 6 belongs to the ones place, and the ones place have the value 1, and here now we have our digit 6 in the ones place. So the value of 6 in this particular number is, the place value of 6 in this particular number is 6 ones. So place value of 6 is 6 ones. You can write it as 6 ones, or it is 6 into 1. Ones place have the value 1, so 6 into 1 is 6. Now coming to the next digit, it is 4. 4 belongs to tens place. Tens place have the value 10, but now we have the digit 4 in that tens place, so the value is 4 tens. Place value is 4 tens, that is 4 into 10, which is 40. 4 tens is 40. Now coming to the third digit, it is 3 in the hundreds place. 3 belongs to the hundreds place. Hundreds place have the value 100, but now our particular number 3 is in this hundreds place, so the value, place value of 3 in this digit, in this number is 300s, which can be written as 300s. If the place value is asked, you can write 300s, or you can write as 3 into 100, which is 300. Some students, when the question asks for place value, they simply write, what's the place value of 3, they simply write 100. That is wrong, because 100 is the place of that digit. Its value is 300. Very important. If the question is to write the place value of 3 in this question, if you write simply hundreds, then that is wrong. The place value is 300s, because that place is hundreds place having the value 100, but now our digit is 3 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 3 into 100, which is 300. Now coming to the next digit, it is 2. 2 lies in the thousands place, and the value of thousands place is 1000. So the place value of 2 is 2000s. 2000s, and what is 2000? Which is equal to 22000. Is that clear? Make sure this, when you write the place value, don't write the place alone. You have to write the value of that particular digit. Value of that particular digit when it occurs in that particular place. Is that clear, all of you? Now we will move to bigger numbers. We are learning 7-digit numbers and 8-digit numbers. Let us consider a 7-digit number. Let us consider a 7-digit number 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 7-digit number. How will you write the place value of each digits of this 7-digit number? Starting from the right hand, 5 belongs to which place? 5 belongs to 1's place. So its place value is 5 ones. 5 ones. 5 belongs to 1's place, 5 ones. You can write, the question is asked for place value. You can write either 5 ones or you can write as a number. 5 1 is 5 into 1. 5 ones is 5 into 1. Now the next number, next digit is 1 belongs to the 10's place. When 1 is in the 10's place, the place is 10's but the value is 1/10. Place is 10's place but the value is 1/10, which is 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Then coming to the next digit, it is 0 in the hundreds place. 0 in the hundreds place. So 0 in the hundreds place is 0 hundreds. 0 in the hundreds place is 0 hundreds. What is 0 hundreds? 0 into 100. When you multiply any number with 0, what is the value? It is 0. So the place value of 0 in any place is always 0. Place value of the digit 0 is always 0. Very important. Place value of 0 in any place is 0. Because 0 lies, actually it is 0 lies in the hundreds place, so its place value is 0 hundreds. But when you multiply 0 with 100, it is 0 into 100 is always equal to 0. Now coming to the next digit, it is 4. 4 belongs to, can you tell me 4 belongs to? 4 belongs to thousands place. So its value is, 4 belongs to thousands place. So its value is 4,000. Place value is 4,000. 4,000. Its place value is 4,000, which is equal to 4 into 1,000 is 4,000. 4 into 1,000 is 4,000. Similarly, we will move to the next place value of 3. 3 belongs to which place? So to write the place values, to write the number name, to write the numeral, everything we should know the place of each digit, and the period of each digit. Now 3 belongs to which period? 3 belongs to the lakhs, thousands period or 10,000s place. So the value of 10,000s place is 10,000, but here the digit is 3 lying in the 10,000s place, so its value is 3 10,000. The place value is 3 10,000. Place value is 3 10,000, which is 3 10,000 is 3 into 10,000, which is equal to 30,000. Which is equal to 30,000. Now we'll move to the, sorry, there is some technical issues. Okay, we discussed till thousands. So we have 4, the digit 4 lies in the thousands place, so its place value is 4,000s, and that is equal to 4000. Now 3 belongs to which place? It is in the 10,000s place, so its value, the place is 10,000 and its value is 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s, which is equal to 10,000 is 3 into 10,000, which is equal to 30,000. That will be equal to 30,000. Now coming to the next place, it is lakhs place. Lakhs place have the digit 2. So the value of 2 in the lakhs place is the place value, which is 2 lakh. 2 lakhs. How many zeros are there in lakhs? Lakh, It's a 6-digit number. For a 6-digit number, we have 5 zeros. So 2 lakhs have 5 zeros. 2 into 1 lakh, it is 2 lakh. So whenever you can write both 2 lakh, or you can write in words or in numeral also you can write. Now the last is 9. 9 is in which place? 9 belongs to the 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 9 in this particular number is 9 10 lakhs. And 9 10 lakh you can write in the numeral as 9 10 lakh is 90 lakh. 9 10 lakhs is 9 into 10 lakh, it is 90 lakhs. It is 90 lakhs. 9 into 10 lakh is 90 lakhs. 9 into 1 lakh is 9 lakh. 9 into 10 lakh is 90 lakhs. So, once again, how will you write the place value of any digit? The place value depends upon the place in which the digit occurs. We have to write you have to multiply that digit with that particular place. Now we'll move to an 8-digit number. We'll write an 8-digit number. Okay, this is an 8-digit number. Can you write the place values of these 8-digit numbers? Place values of this 8-digit number? I know you all can write the place values of this 8-digit number. What about the place value of 8? 8 belongs to which place? 1's place. So its place value is not 1. Place value is 8 ones. Place value is 8 ones, which is equal to 8 into 1 is 8. You also can write the answers and check the answer when I write on the board. Next, 4 belongs to which place? 4 belongs to 10's place. So the place value is 4 tens. 4 tens is equal to 4 into 10. It is 40. You wrote the correct answer? All of you? Now coming to the third one. 3 lies in hundreds place. So the place is 100 and the value is 300. Place value is 300, which is 300s you can write, or you can write as 3 into 100 is 300. Now coming to the next one is 5 belongs to which place? 5 belongs to which place? It belongs to thousands place. So the value is 5,000. The value is 5,000, and 5,000 can numerically written as 5 into 1,000. It is 5000. Now the next one is, next digit is 1. 1 lies in the 10,000s place. So its value is 1/10,000. 1 lies in the 10,000s place, then the value is 1/10,000. That is 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. So you can write in words as 1/10,000. You can write in words as 1/10,000 and numeral as 10000. What about the place value of the next digit? Next digit is 0. 0 lies in which place? Which place? Lakhs place. 0 lies in lakhs place, and so the value of, and I told value of 0, of the digit 0 in any place is 0, because when you multiply 0 with any number, we will get 0 itself as the answer. So 0 lakhs means 0 into 1 lakh, which is equal to 0. So the place value of 0 in this particular number is 0. Then the next one is place value of 3. 3 in which place? 3 in 10 lakhs place. Yes, some are answering. 3 in 10 lakhs place. So when 3 is in 10 lakhs place, what is the place value? 3 into 10 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh, when you multiply, you will get 30 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh is 30 lakhs. And the last digit is 8. 8 belongs to which period, children? 8 belongs to crores period, and 8 lies in the crores place. So value of this 8 is, place value is 8 crores, and 8 crores is 8 into 1 crore. Yesterday I gave which is 1 crore. What is the numeral 1 crore? It is the smallest 8-digit number. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number having 7 zeros. Smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. So 8 crores means 8 into 1 crore. What is 8 into 1 crore? You have to multiply 8 with 1 crore, that is 8 crores. So that's all about the place values of any digit in any digit of if a number is given. Is that clear, all of you? I think it is clear now. So whenever we write the place values, we have to find out the place of that particular digit, and the place value depends upon the place of that digit. And don't forget, whenever the question asks for the place value, if any digit lies in thousands place, if 5 lies in the thousands place, when the place value of 5 is asked, don't write simply 1000. It is wrong. The place value, the place has the value thousands, but since 5 lies in the thousands place for this particular digit, the value of 5, the place value of 5 is 5,000. 5,000 is the correct answer. Now, is that clear, all of you? Okay, we'll do some questions of this place value. You can move to you can take exercise 1.2. Can take exercise 1.2, page 13. I know some students don't have the textbooks, so I will send that page in your WhatsApp group. But now, now I will write the questions also. Exercise 1.2 related to place values. Okay, 1.2, first question in exercise 1.2, first question is writing the number names. Writing the number names, you already know that you can do it by yourself. But question number B is exercise 1.2. Question number B is write the period and the place value of the colored digit. Write the period and place value of the colored digit. Here I am going to underline the digit. In the textbook it is colored. Underlined digit. You can write this one. No need to write this big question. You just write the numeral and can write the answers in your rough book. You can write that when you get the class notes through WhatsApp. These answers are also there. But now you can write your answers, these answers in your rough book. Otherwise, if you made mistake, that will make the notes become untidy. Okay. Now the first question is 7402615, and the color digit is 6. Did you see the question? I think you also did you see the question, all of you? It is on page 13, exercise 1.2, question number B. Question number A is already that type questions we already discussed in exercise 1.1. So we'll move to question number B. Question number B is based on the place value. So here the first question is 74 lakh 2615, and the first part is which period that digit belongs. Which period 6 belongs to which period? The period is, which period it belongs? Period is ones period. Isn't it? It is in the ones period. And what is the place value of 6? You have to write like this. Okay. Write the complete steps also. Place value of 6. What is the place value of 6? Next day onwards, I will ask questions. You have to, when I call some names, when I call the names, you have to unmute and give the answer. Okay. Today I'm not getting any response from your side. So next day onwards, you have to give the answer. Now place value of 6. What's the place value of 6? 6 lies in which place? Hundreds place. So its place value, you can write it as 6 hundreds, or which is also equal to 600. Okay, coming to the next question. What about the next question? 14 lakh 1079. This is the second question. Did you see that? And which is the colored, a blue color is given there. Which is the colored digit? 1. The first one is the colored digit. So I underline this colored digit. Now the first part of the question is write the period name. What is the period name of this one? Which is the period? 1 belongs to which period? This underlined 1 belongs to which period? It belongs to lakhs period, isn't it? Period is lakhs period, but the place is 10 lakh, but the question is for period, so it belongs to lakhs period. And what is the place value? Place value of 1 is, place value of 1 equals 110 lakhs. 110 lakh, that is 110 lakh is 1 into 10 lakh. 1 into 10 lakh. So what is 1 into 10 lakh? This is only for your, only to clear how to write 110 lakh is and in numeral. 1 into 10 lakh is 10 lakh. Now what about the third question? What's the third question? 5 crore 78 lakh 23,511. And one more question I'll give. Fourth question. 6 crore 9 lakh 12,519. And the third question, the colored digit. The third question, the colored digit is first 1. And the fourth question, the colored digit is 0. Okay. Now you have to write the period. You write the period and place value of 1. Place value of 1. For the next one also, period, place value of 0. Place value of 0 also you have to write. Okay. Did you finish? Finish writing? Okay, I'll give the answer. First period, first for the question number 3, this 1 belongs to which period? It belongs to 1's period. And what is the place value of 1? 1, 1, which is equal to, because that belongs to 1's place and the value in that 1's place is also 1. So it is 1, 1. It is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then next one is 0. Question number 4, 0 it belongs to which period? It belongs to lakhs period. It belongs to lakhs period. And what is the place value of 0? And remember, place value of 0 at any place is 0. But when you write in words, it is 0, 10 lakhs. You can write it as 0, 10 lakhs, or simply 0 is also correct. 0, 10 lakhs is 0 into 10 lakh is 0. So the remaining questions of this question number B of exercise 1.2 is also homework. So you can do that questions as homework. I'll give today's notes also. I'll send. Okay, homework. Exercise 1.1, question C. Question C 4 and 5. Then exercise, you will get 2 days. 1.2 questions A full and B 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll stop today's class, today's maths class. Hope you all understood what we discussed today. It is place values. A very small portion we did today. Please go through the topics every day. Please spend 1 hour for learning maths. Every day, afternoon, you spend 1 hour for learning maths and do the classwork and homework regularly. And when teachers are asked to submit the notes, you have to submit through WhatsApp also. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.